Within minutes of hearing you have breast cancer and you sit down to talk about your plan, my surgeon was asking me, what do you want to do about reconstruction? I'm like, reconstruction? I'm not even used to hearing you have breast cancer yet. I said, do I have to deal with this now? And he explained to me that you can do this in your initial surgery. You can start the process in your initial surgery. And I'm like, yes, that's one less surgery. I can do this. And he goes, do you have a plastic surgeon? And I go, look at me, do I look like I have a plastic surgeon? No, I don't have a plastic surgeon. And he said, I have one I really want you to use, and that's Dr. Gallaher. Because my surgeon believed in Dr. Gallaher so much, I had no doubts, even though I had doubts, if that makes sense. But once I came and met him and his team, Dr. Gallaher, Andy, all of the staff, I felt so much more at ease. It became very apparent that he was serious about what he did. And people had told me, they said, no, he's not real jokey. He's not going to come in and, try to crack you up or anything. And I was like, I'm okay with that. If he's good at what he does, this is who I want. But as we got to know each other, it became very apparent that he's a father, he's a husband, and that my husband and son became part of his family, and he became part of ours during this time. He really cared about what I wanted, what I was feeling, and took time and talked with me about these things. It wasn't like, oh, good to see you, this is what we're gonna do, bye. The whole team really makes you at ease, and that's so important when you're so freaked out. I feel like now I look and feel better than I have ever felt, certainly in years. None of us have the body we had when we were younger, but I have a better body than I did going into this. The reconstruction process is a part of a breast cancer diagnosis. People had told me that Dr. Gallaher was an artist. And when you first see yourself after a bilateral mastectomy, it's very shocking. It's off-putting. And I thought, oh gosh, I'm never gonna look normal again. But I do. And it takes a while to get there. But Dr. Gallaher and his team got me through this, made me feel at ease. I hardly see scars now. I love the way I look, and I didn't think I'd ever be able to say that after a traumatic experience like breast cancer. But if you have to go through this, I can't imagine going through it anywhere else. But Gallaher Plastic Surgery with his team, they're just wonderful. The team at Gallaher Plastic Surgery made it as comfortable as it could be, made me feel at ease, made my family feel at ease, and I just can't thank them enough for getting me to where I am today, where I can talk about this without crying.